Want to make money on Facebook in 2025? Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Facebook isn't just for scrolling, it's a money-making machine. From content creation to e-commerce, let's explore your options. Step 1. Become a content creator. Facebook pays for engaging videos. Use Reels bonuses, in-stream ads, and fan subscriptions to start earning. Step 2. Sell products on Marketplace. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage finds, or dropshipping, Marketplace connects you with buyers fast. Step 3. Build a paid community. Create exclusive groups with memberships where you offer advice, coaching, or premium content. Step 4. Try affiliate marketing. Share product links in your posts and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Step 5. Run Facebook ads. If you have a business, targeted ads can bring in customers and maximize profits. And there you have it. 5 ways to make money on Facebook in 2025. Which one will you try first?